Baboon and Coastal PCI, good day.
Hello.
Hello?
Yeah, it's Kumete speaking.
Yes, Kumete.
I have something for you to pick up.
Where?
In Umlaz.
Is it a dog?
No, it's not a dog, man. It's something been using. It was passed on to me by my father.
What is it?
I'm wanting possibly, ma'am, for you to come take it or give
What?
me a new one.
To
or
come take what?
the animal.
No, we don't do trade-ins, eh?
No, it's not a trading. I need a nice one. I can teach certain things.
We cannot rehome an old dog, right?
No, it's
you
not
have
a
to
dog,
put it
ma'am.
to sleep. What is it?
It's a baboon.
A baboon?
Yes.
We don't keep baboons. You need to phone KZN Wildlife. You need a license in order to keep a baboon.
No, it's my father gave me the baboon. You use it for black magic.
Yeah, so then you'll need to phone KZN Wildlife if you don't want the baboon anymore. We don't keep baboons, sir.
If you say baboon industry, you leave it like that because you don't work with baboon.
It's not I'm leaving it. I'm giving you the number for you to contact the
But it's like a member of my family, this baboon, ma'am. I can't
Yes,
just...
even if it's for the member of your family, phone KZN Wildlife. They will be able to assist
But you know what this baboon can do, ma'am? I will send my baboon
then
to come to
can
you.
Send them. You
So-
can send them. Bye.